Feeling out of balance? Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or BHRT, might be your answer to restoring hormonal harmony. We offer tailored treatments at the Injection and Infusion Clinic of ABQ that cater to your unique needs. But first, let's delve into BHRT, its uses, benefits, and possible risks. Bioidentical hormones are plant-derived compounds that mimic the natural hormones produced by your body, helping rebalance when hormone levels are low or imbalanced. These include hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. However, despite often being marketed as natural, it's important to remember that these hormones are processed in a lab. We offer hormone pellet therapy, which delivers a steady, measured dose of hormones to patients in our clinic. While compounded bioidentical hormones are often marketed as safer and more effective than conventional hormone therapy, these claims aren't supported by scientific evidence. Choosing BHRT is a decision that should be made in consultation with a healthcare provider, considering your overall health and personal needs. Certain conditions might make BHRT unsuitable, such as blood clotting disorders, heart or cardiovascular diseases, and a history or high risk of breast cancer or stroke. Rest assured, we'll thoroughly discuss your health history and potential risks before proceeding with any treatment. BHRT aims to replenish dwindling hormone levels that often decrease with age. Symptoms of this hormonal decline can include hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, loss of libido, sleep issues, fatigue, weight gain, mood changes, and memory issues. In the U.S., an estimated 1 to 2.5 million women over 40 currently use compounded bioidentical hormones, with results often seen within the first 2 to 3 weeks. We use hormone pellets at our clinic to ensure your comfort and convenience. However, hormone therapy, including BHRT, comes with certain risks. For instance, the long-term use of hormone therapy could potentially increase the risk of heart disease and breast cancer. Compounded bioidentical hormones, which are not FDA approved, pose additional risks due to uncertainties surrounding their safety and long-term effects. Like all treatments, BHRT can come with side effects, especially after the initial dose, as your body adjusts to the new hormone levels. If you experience any side effects, our healthcare providers at the Injection and Infusion Clinic of ABQ are ready to offer support. Bioidentical hormones can provide significant relief for many, with recovery processes differing based on the form of BHRT chosen. Unbalanced hormones shouldn't hinder you from enjoying life. Transform your life with our customized hormone pellet program at the Injection and Infusion Clinic of ABQ. Let's explore the potential effectiveness of BHRT in Albuquerque together. While weight gain can be a potential side effect of bioidentical hormones, we believe that you shouldn't have to live with